Did you know? The Moorish American button worn by members of the Moorish Science Temple of America and carries profound spiritual and cultural symbolism based on the teachings of Noble Drew Ali. The crescent moon and star, Islamic symbols, connect Moorish Americans to their Moabite heritage. The crescent signifies enlightenment and progress, while the star represents divine guidance or the 5 core principles: love, truth, peace, freedom, and justice. Together, they link followers to a shared spiritual and cultural lineage. In metaphysical symbolism, the moon represents the mother, nurturing, intuitive, and protective, guiding growth and enlightenment. The star stands for the child, symbolizing new life, potential, and the continuation of family wisdom and mission, embodying hope and renewal. The crescent, shaped by the sun's shadow, represents the unseen father, a hidden yet crucial paternal force that empowers life. This unseen father reflects the enduring influence of ancestry and divine guidance. This triadic symbolism, mother, child, and unseen father, reflects natural and spiritual principles, emphasizing unity, heritage, and continuity. Moorish teachings celebrate this interconnected relationship, showing how each role contributes to individual and collective upliftment. The symbol serves as a reminder for members to elevate themselves and their communities in alignment with a divine legacy,